let's talk about Lightroom Mobile's masking capabilities. They really are quite amazing. So I'm going to open up one of my albums here and just show a couple images. So we'll start with this one. And I'm going to go take care of a little issue up in the right-hand corner with the healing brush. And if I press on this and raise and lower my finger, I'm going to increase or decrease the size of my brush. If I press on this one, I'm going to change the feathering. So I want a nice soft brush. And with this one, again, I'm going to change the opacity of that brush. So I'm going to go 100% opacity on that one. And I'm just going to paint in the corner here and remove that spot. And then I'm going to click OK. And now I'm going to go into masking. Just wanted to take care of that first. I'm going to add a mask. And this time I'm actually going to select the subject because I actually have a really good difference of depth of field, so I didn't think it would have a problem grabbing that subject, and it didn't. This is doing a brilliant job. But what I actually want to target in this image is the background. So I'm going to press the inverse button. So now I am selecting the background, and you can tell by looking at the mask along the right side. When you click on that, you can add to it or subtract to it. Right now, I'm just going to make some adjustments. So I'm going to take the color, and I just want to kind of create more of a blue background just for kicks and giggles. And I'm going to decrease the clarity and the texture a little bit to make it a little bit smoother. I'm going to go back to the color again and maybe saturate that a little bit, make it even bluer. And I'm going to click OK. And just like that, I have changed the color of the background. If I press and hold, I'm going to see the before, so where I started, including the removal of that object in the top right corner. And when I release, it shows me the after. Excellent. So let's go back and try another one. Try this one. So let's add a mask. Go into masking and click add a mask. This time I'm going to use the radial gradient. And I'm going to press and just start pulling outward. There we go. If I've missed this a little bit, I can grab this and move it around. But I'm just going to leave it right there. And I really just want to get some more detail on that. So I'm going to decrease the noise, but I'm going to go up with the texture and the clarity. A little bit of dehaze. Couldn't hurt. And I might even darken that a little bit. Let's see what it looks like. And add a little bit of contrast. All right, I'm gonna click OK with that one. Now here is a before and after. Incredible targeted adjustment on my phone. Unbelievable. And let's just do one more. Masking, let's add one. Let's select the sky. It does an excellent job. There are a few places where I'm noticing some issues, specifically right in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that mask, and I want to subtract from the mask. And this time I'm just going to use my brush, and I'm just subtracting from this. Now I could spend a great deal of time going through this entire image and getting rid of everything. Oops, made a mistake. But nobody has that kind of time, so let's just bring this back out. And let's go over to color. Let's make our blue sky a little bit bluer. Make sure that we're getting rid of any noise and maybe even a little less sharpness in there. Excellent. And a long press before and after. That is just a super quick way to beef up a blue sky. Excellent. Have fun playing with those masks. They are a tremendous help, very effective on all of your mobile images. See you next time.